Hi guys. So just a real quick unit preview for Unit 1 here in Algebra 1BA. Sorry about my voice and all the things. I'm up in northern Idaho, really close to two wildfires, and the smoke up here is insane, and I'm having some respiratory reactions to it. So first things first, the student resources module will have had to have been completed because we work sequentially in this course. So you've gone through the student resources and you are now opening Unit 1, so exploring functions. And you should be right here at this Unit 1 preview. It is a quiz, that's what that little rocket ship right there means. Should be some pretty easy points if you're watching this video. Really, I'm just going to run you through what to expect um, and how to successfully complete it. So, the first thing that I love is that every lesson starts out with teacher notes. Okay, so in lesson 1, your teacher notes for your workbooks here. If I open that up, maybe if it allows me to. You have a list of tutorial videos. You also have a Unit 1 study guide. This is where I'm going to throw all of my resources. So if I make a video that's helpful to some students, I'm going to put it in here. Or if I just find a video that someone else has created that I think is helpful, again, I'm going to throw it in here. So make sure that you are looking at those teacher notes, especially if you get confused or you need help. You can always just email me as well, but that's something that is available to you. So if we go back to our course now, sorry, my voice is really awful. Okay, so we looked at that teacher notes. Then you will have 3 workbooks where you're working on what is a function. And it's looking at tables and graphs. And then you have a lesson activity and a checkpoint. Your checkpoint, again, on those teacher notes. So make sure you're looking at those resources, those videos, and then your end of lesson. Your Unit 1 has 5 lessons, and they're basically kind of the same idea. 3 workbooks with your teacher notes, then a checkpoint, and we have some ISAT practice in this lesson too. But then again, lesson 3, still working on functions, and all of these lessons kind of build on top of each other. So that's why we make you guys work in order. So your 3 workbooks. This unit 3, lesson 3, has a discussion working on the growth mindset. So there's a little video for you to watch, and then you answer a couple questions and talk to your classmates. A checkpoint, and a lot of the checkpoints are just, how are you doing? Do you need any help? What did you learn? And they're literally just for me to check in with you to see how you're doing and if I can help you in any way. Lesson 4, instead of going more into functions, we're talking about sequences. So arithmetic sequences in this case. Again, your 3 workbooks. And then this one has a lesson activity and some ISAT practice. Lesson 5, formulas of sequences. This unit can be kind of tricky when it talks about formulas. So make sure you look at those teacher notes or you reach out to me if you get confused. And if you have signed up for the honors, this is where you're going to find your first honors assignment. If you have not, if you've told me you do not want the honors, you won't even see this assignment. So don't worry about that. But if you are in the honors program, just know that your first honors assignment is at the end of unit or lesson 5. Okay, so that is your Unit 1, lessons 1 through 5. Get started. Again, if you need me, send me an email, call me, send me a text, call me, reach me, do all the things. Okay, awesome.